Hello everyone. Now we will see question number 4 of exercise 6.4. Let us see the question first. The question is, find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Now in this question, numbers are given to us. Now these numbers are not perfect squares. Now we have to find out that which least number means कौन सा ऐसा छोटा नंबर है जो इसमें से subtract करेंगे, which we will subtract. Okay, and after subtracting this number it will become a perfect square number, so that we will find out. So again here we will use long division method. Okay, division method we will find out, that we have already seen in previous video, which number to be multiplied and which number to be divided. Similar type of question we have seen. So let us start question number 4. Okay, one by one we will see the solution of this. So first one is in question number 4. First question is 402. So first we will divide it like this by long division method. So 402. Okay, first step is we will draw the bar and we will make 2 pairing. So this way one bar will come and here second bar will come. Okay, now we will start division. So 4 is the first digit. So now we have to think that which perfect square number we will take so that it is less than or equal to 4. So 4 is a square number, we know that. So we will start with 2 twos. So 2 twos will give you 4. Okay, and here 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now this 0 and this 2, they both are in pair, so both we will bring down here. So 0, 2, and this side we will do double of 2. So double of 2 will give you 4. Okay, now here we will take zeros. We can take zeros because 2 will never come. Whatever number you will keep here and then you will multiply, obviously it will become more than this. So we can take zeros. So we have kept here 0. So 4 zeros and then 0, but this part will remain same. 0, 2 will be as it is. Now here this 2 which we have got, this is our remainder. So here remainder is 2, means 2 is the extra number that should be subtracted. So 2 if we will subtract from this, okay, अगर 402 में से 2 subtract कर देंगे, then what will remain? 400 will remain, and 400 is a perfect square number, we know that. So 2 is the least number. Okay, this 2, that is our remainder. 2 is the least required number to be subtracted from 402 to get a perfect square. So our new number will be 402 minus 2. So this 2 we will subtract from this 402. So 402 minus 2 will give you 400. So 400 is our new number, and square root of 400 will be equal to 20. So this is our answer. Okay, so 2 should be subtracted. Now same way we will see second sum. Second one is 1989. Again, first of all we will draw the bar and we will make 2 pairings. So here one bar will be there and here other bar will be there. Now 19 is there. Again we have to take a perfect square number which is less than or equal to 19. So 19 square number nahi hai, right? So less than 19, which number we can take? We can take 4 fours. So 4 fours 16. Okay, so we have taken 4 fours. Now 19 minus 16 will give you 3. Okay, and this 8 and 9 both are in pair, so both we will bring down. दोनों नीचे ले आएंगे, so 389. And here we will do double of 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8. Now what number you will keep here? That same number you need to keep here, and then you should get this. So we can take 4. So 4 fours. So we will take 4 fours, and so the answer will be 336. So here also we will keep 4. So 4 fours. 84 fours. So that will be 336. Now if you subtract this, this is our remainder. So this 53 is our remainder. So 53 should be subtracted. So we should subtract 53 from 1989, and whatever will remain, that will be a perfect square number. This 53 is extra. So 53 should be subtracted from 1989. And if you subtract 53 from 1989, what you will get? Our new number will be 1936. and 1936, the square root of 1936 will be 44. So this was first and second sum. Just whatever is left in the remainder, that you need to minus from this, and after subtracting whatever you get, that is your new number, and the square root of that new number is this, what we are getting on the top. Okay, so this was question number 4, first and second sum. Now other 3 sums you will try yourself. Now we will see question number 5 of exercise 6.4. Question number 5 is find the least number which must be added. Now in previous question it was subtracted. Now here in place of subtracted, added is given. So the question is find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. So we have to find out that which least number, okay, small number, छोटे से छोटा number जो इसमें add करेंगे. We will add and then this number whatever is given in the question will become a perfect square number. Okay, so after adding something to this we will get a new number and that number will be a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained, and also the new number which we will get, we will have to find out that number's square root. So let us see question number 5. One by one we will see the solution of this question number 5. Now we will see the solution of question number 5. First one is 525. So first step is same, we just have to divide it by division method. Okay, so first we will draw bar. So here there will be bar after this, and then here there will be bar on 5. So first number is 5, so we have to take a perfect square number which is less than or equal to 5. Okay, so we can take 2 2s are 4, and 5 minus 4 will give you 1, and this 2 and 5 they both are in pair, so both we will bring down. So दोनों साथ में नीचे लेके आएंगे. So 25. Now our number is 125, and this side we will do double of 2. So double of 2 means 2 plus 2 4. Okay, so this side we have 4. Now next step, which number you will keep here, so that same number you need to keep here, and you should get the number equal to or less than this. So we can take 2. So 42 2s will give you 84. If you take 3s, it will be more than 125. So we have taken 42 2s. Answer is 84. Now we have to subtract. So 41 is our remainder. Okay, so 41 that we are getting is our remainder. Now we are getting remainder. It means that this 22, okay, our answer, our quotient that we are getting on the top, 22 square will be less than 525. 22 का square करेंगे तो वो 525 से कम होगा. So 22 square will be less than 525. So this number is not a perfect square, that we know. Okay, because here we didn't got 0. Now उसमें क्या add करेंगे? Okay, so ये 22 का square तो ये है नहीं. अगर इसमें कुछ add कर देंगे तो it can become a perfect square number of the next number, means 22 plus 1, so it can become the square of 23. So next number is 23. 22 का square तो ये है नहीं, so it can be a perfect square number after adding. So next number is 23. So let us see what is the square of 23. So 23 square will be equal to 529. You can multiply on the side. यहाँ पे अगर आपका 22 आ रहा है तो आपको 23 लेना है, एक स्टेप आगे लेना है. सो 23 इंटू 23 आप करोगे तो आंसर आएगा 529. नाउ हमारा आंसर 529 है, 23 का स्क्वायर, और क्वेश्चन में 525 दिया है. ओके, सो 525 और ये 529 दिया है, तो हम ये दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे और फिर जो भी आएगा दैट नंबर वी विल एड इन दिस. ओके, so this will become a perfect square number. So 525 is okay, 22 square is less than 525, and 23, one step more, next number is 23. So 23 square equal to 529. अब ये दोनों माइनस करेंगे. So 529 minus 525. Okay, so number to be added we will get. What should be added? So that number we will find out. So 529 minus 525, दोनों को subtract करेंगे. So you will get 4. So 4 is the number that we have to add here. So if you add here 4, okay, प्लस 4 करेंगे, सो योर न्यू नंबर विल बी 529. सो न्यू नंबर इज 529 एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 529 इज इक्वल टू 23. 23 का है वो. ओके, सो इसका जो स्क्वायर रूट होगा दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 23. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच नंबर शुड बी एडेड? ओके, now let us see second sum of the same question. So second number is 1750. Again first step is we will draw the bar. Okay, 2 pairing. Again we will divide. So 4 4s are 16 we can take. Now 17 minus 16 will give you 1. Now this 50, they are in pair, so both we will bring down, so it will be 150. This side we will do double of 4, we will get 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Now whatever number we will keep here, that same number we have to take here, so we need to take 1 za, because if you take 2 za it will be more than 150, so we will take 1 za. So 1 we will keep here and 1 we will keep here. So 81 1 za will give you 81. Now when you subtract 150 minus 81, this will be your remainder. Okay, so remainder is 69. Okay, so again this 41 square will be less than 1750. 1750 तो स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है, और अगर 41 का स्क्वायर करेंगे सो दैट विल ऑल्सो बी लेस देन 1750. सो अगेन अवर नेक्स्ट नंबर विल बी, यू हैव टू टेक वन मोर देन दिस. ओके, इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 यहाँ पे जो भी आंसर आ रहा है उससे एक ज्यादा लेना है आपको और उसका स्क्वायर करना है. ओके, सो next number will be 42. Now what is the square of 42? So we have to take the square of 42. So 42 square will give you 1764. You can multiply 2 times, 42 into 42. So 1764 you will get. Now 1764 and this 1750. This both we will subtract. Okay, and we will come to know that which number we have to add to make it a perfect square. So 1764 minus 1750, ये दोनों को हम माइनस करेंगे. ओके, सो आंसर विल बी 14. सो 14 शुड बी एडेड. सो द नंबर टू बी एडेड इज 14. ये दोनों का आपको डिफरेंस लेना है. आई होप आई एम क्लियर. सो न्यू नंबर इज 1764. अब ये जो नया नंबर है उसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या होगा? 42. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1764 विल बी इक्वल टू 42. ओके, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. सो दिस वाज फर्स्ट एंड second sum of question number 5. Now there are 3 more sums. Okay, that 3 sums you will try yourself, and if there is any doubt just let me know. Now we will see question number 6 of exercise 6.4. So question number 6 is find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. Now area is given to us, okay, and we have to find out the length. So area of square is given 441 meters square, and we will find the length of the square. Okay, so first of all whatever is given we will start with that. So let us see the solution of question number 6. So as it is given in the question, area is given to us. So area of square equal to 441 meters square. So this is already given in the question. Area is given and that is 441 meters square. Now we will apply formula for area of square. Now first of all in this question area is already given, means this number what is given to us is a square number. Okay, and they are telling to find out the length of the square. Okay, whatever will be the side length of the square, this they are telling to find out. Okay, so this we will find out, means length means we will find out the square root of 441. So square number is given and we have to find out the square root. So first of all area of square is 441 meter square. Now in place of area we will write its formula. So formula for area of square is length into length, or you can write side into side, s into s or l into l, anything you can write down. So l into l equal to 441. Okay, area is given. Now in place of area just we have to write its formula. So L into L equal to 441. Now L into L 2 times whenever we multiply anything means we get the square of that. So L into L means L square. So L square is equal to 441. Now this is L square, length square, and we want only length, not length square. So in equation chapter we have seen that whenever we take anything from LHS to RHS we change the sign. अगर प्लस में हो तो माइनस करते हैं, माइनस में हो तो प्लस करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई में हो तो डिवाइड करते हैं, डिवाइड में हो तो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, राइट. सिमिलरली सेम वे in square and square root, this side square is given. Now this square, when we will take it that side, it will become root. Okay, I hope I'm clear. So ये जो square है उसको उस तरफ ले जाएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा root. So root of 441. So this square we will remove. So this side only L, because we want to find out length. So L equal to root of 441. Now we will find out root of 441. So square root of 441 we will find out. So now this we will find out by division method. Okay, so first of all we will make pair, we will draw the bar. So here we will get one bar and here we will get other bar. So 4, our first digit is 4, so we will start with 2 twos. So 2 twos will give you 4 and 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now this 41 both we will bring down. So here 41 को नीचे लेके आएंगे तो यहाँ पे 41 आ जाएगा. And this side 2 का डबल कर देंगे, so it will be 4. So 4 we are getting. Now we want 41. So this is very simple. If you take with 1s, okay, we have to keep 1. So 41 1s will give you 41. So 41, and here also we will keep 1. So 41 minus 41 will give you 0. So this answer 21 that you got, okay, that is the length. So thus the length of the square is 21 meter. So this was question number 6.